Dear students, I am making this video for the class 10th for science subject students. The chapter name is Human Eye and the Colorful World. Please subscribe this video and share for your friends to know more about the further videos. The human eye. The human eye is one of the most important, valuable, and sensitive sense organs. It enables us to see the wonderful world and the color we are observing around us. If you close your eyes, we cannot identify objects some extent by their smell, by the taste and sound they make, or by the touch. It is, however, impossible to identify the colors while closing the eyes. Thus, of all the sense organs, the human eye is the most significant one, as it enables us to see the beautiful, colorful world around us. The human eye, it contains the 9 parts. The first one is cornea, second one is the crystalline lens, third one is iris, fourth one is the pupil, fifth one is aqueous humor, sixth one is vitreous humor, seventh is the retina, eighth is the ciliary muscles, and last one is optical nerve. These are the 9 parts of the human eye. Then what is their role and what they control, we have to see one by one. The first part is the cornea. It is the outermost transparent part where the maximum refraction takes place here. It is there in the outermost and it is a transparent part from which the maximum refraction takes place. And second one is the crystalline lens. This crystalline lens is a fibrous jelly-like structure. It focuses the light onto the retina to produce a real image and also inverted image. And third part is the iris. It is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. And what is meant by pupil here? It regulates and controls the amount of light that entering the eye. The next fifth part is aqueous humor. It is a water-like fluid that lies in front of the lens. Then sixth one is vitreous humor. It is a jelly-like substance that lies behind the lens and in front of the retina. Then what is meant by retina here? It is a delicate membrane having the enormous number of light-sensitive cells. Then ciliary muscles. These ciliary muscles change the shape and size of the eye lens for focusing. Then last one is the optical nerve. This optical nerve sends the electrical impulse from the retina at the back of the eyes to the brain. And whatever the 9 parts are there in this diagram, the 9 parts are labeled and what they are working we learned now. Then the next part is how this human eye is working. The eye lens, it forms a real inverted image of the object on the retina. Then light sensitive cells in the retina then produces the electrical signals which are carried by the optical nerves to the brain, and that brain processes the information and sends the message to the eye, and then we able to see the objects. This is working of the eye. Then in the next part we have to see what is meant by the near point or least distance of distinct vision. What is meant by near point or the least distance of distinct vision? Now we have to know that one. It is the minimum distance at which the object can be seen most distinctively without the strain. Then if we want to see the object without the strain, we have to hold the object 25 centimeter away from your eye. Then only that is called as a near point, or it is also called as a least distance of distinct vision. For a normal adult eye, its value is 25 centimeter. As already I told you, if you hold the object 25 meter away from your eye, in front of your eye, then you can easily see without any strain to the eyes. And the range of the human eye vision is 25 centimeter to infinity. From 20 centimeter to infinity, we can see the objects. Then the next concept is accommodation. Then what is meant by this accommodation? This is important. In previous year, this question is asked. What is meant by accommodation? It is the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called the accommodation. Accommodation means it is the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. And how we can change the focal length? We can change the focal length with the help of a salivary muscles. With the help of salivary muscles, we can adjust the or change the focal length. Then in the next video, we can see that what are the defects of vision and how they are corrected. We can see in the next video. Now I can stop this video. Then for further videos, we can subscribe this video and share for your friends for more updates. Thank you.